第一课，你好。
Lesson 1. Hello.
你好, welcome to HSK Standard Course Level 1. I'm one of your Chinese teachers. My name is Huang Zeng. In the previous lessons, we've learned some daily expressions and the Pinyin system. And today, we're going to focus on Chinese characters. They are complex, maybe a little bit difficult for you, but they're also very charming and beautiful. Let's try to learn them. Chinese characters are made up of strokes, just as English words are made up of letters. If you want to learn writing Chinese characters, you have to start with the strokes. And today, we're going to learn 5 basic strokes. Let's look at the first one. It is horizontal. In Chinese, it is called 横. When writing 横, you should write from left to right. And do you know that 横 is also a Chinese character? It means 1. And the pronunciation is 一. 跟我读 一. And let's write it together. From this picture, you can see the evolution process. It didn't change much. 1 horizontal means 1. And how about 2 horizontals? Yes, it means 2. The pronunciation is 二. 跟我读 二. Now, let's write it together. The basic writing order of Chinese characters is from top to bottom. In this character, the top horizontal is short, and the bottom one is long. And how about 3 horizontals? Yes, it means 3. The pronunciation is 三. 跟我读 三. Let's write it together. Pay attention. The top horizontal is short, and the middle one is even shorter. The bottom one is the longest. So, 1, 2, 3 in Chinese are 一, 二, 三. All of them are made up of horizontals. Now, let's look at the second stroke. It is vertical. In Chinese, it is called 竖. When writing this stroke, you should write from top to bottom. And a horizontal and a vertical can make a new Chinese character. Look at the picture. It means 10. The pronunciation is 十. 跟我读 十. Please write it with me. The writing order is: first, we write the horizontal, and then the vertical. Let's look at the next stroke. Left falling. In Chinese, it is called 撇. When writing 撇, you should write from the top to the bottom left. And the next stroke is right falling. In Chinese, it is called 捺. When writing 捺, you should write from the top to the bottom right. With a left falling on the left and a right falling on the right, they make a new Chinese character. It means 8. The pronunciation is 八. 跟我读 八. Please write it with me. Another basic writing order is from the left to the right. Let's look at the last stroke for today. It is dot. In Chinese, it is called 点. Now, let's look at the picture. Dot, horizontal, left fallen, and dot. It's a Chinese character. It means 6. The pronunciation is 6. 跟我读 6. 6. Please write it with me. Let's have a brief summary. Today, we've learned 5 basic strokes. They are 横, 竖, 撇, 捺, 点. And we've also learned 6 Chinese characters composed of the 5 strokes. All of them are numbers. 1, 2, 3, 10, 8, 6. After class, think about how to write the Chinese character 不. Pay attention to the writing order. And that's all for today. 下课. See you next time.